So our research is the first international study looking at plastic waste burning for low-income households across the global south. So what's happening is, with rapid urbanisation, there are a lot of informal settlements of low-income communities that establish themselves, and they tend to be obviously in marginalised areas, which is often near waste dumps. And across these countries, waste management systems are poor, and so with this growing refuse, we often find that the pickers will go and take the plastics, bring them home and use them as the fuel for cooking and heating. One of the major findings is the prevalence. So we've actually started to quantify across 26 countries, and I think that's what's quite unique because it's never been documented before. And I guess it raises the concerns that this is a polycrisis that needs to be addressed before it becomes ingrained practice.
This instrument is measuring the species concentration in the emitted gases. The emitted gases are absorbed in liquid media.
So the next steps are exciting, and the other countries are keen to quantify this issue, looking at the health impacts and trying to understand how we can improve those for households, and ultimately tackling the underlying cause to reduce plastic waste burning in low-income households.